Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a mini haul. So let's just start with the largest box. So I don't know what's in these boxes, but it's probably groceries, because that's primarily what I ordered. In this first box I have cherry icing. I can't wait to try this. And then I have my ramen soups. This is a 24 pack of pork flavored ramen. It's pretty good, huh? And then I have a BH Splash Diet. This is a diet juice. It's got I think it's mostly carrots and like pineapple juice. It's got kiwi in it, but it's got like a tropical flavor. And then I have this little package. Let's see what it looks like. And it's a pair of earrings. It's got like the a Greek emblem on them, like cutouts. If you can see, it's got like a Greek emblem with a cutout to it. So that's really cute. I thought it was like a solid piece, but these it's kind of rare to find these with cutouts and stuff. I think they're classic looking. I'm gonna put these up because I can't use these. So in this box, like I said, I got groceries, and the first thing is Diet 5 cran and cherry juice. This is 5-calorie cranberry and cherry juice. Basically, I'm kind of like restocked because like a lot of things that I ate last week, I just ordered. So here's chili, beef gravy, and a can of peas. Well, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys again soon on another video of my Sunday From. Bye-bye.